Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those and you need to find where the turn signal fuse is located, also known as hazard lights fuse, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the turn signal fuse guys, or hazard lights fuse, you will need to, first we'll demonstrate on the 2017 Honda Civic. You need to open the hood, and once you open the hood on your Honda Civic, you're going to see a fuse box. Okay, right here, that's the fuse box. You will need to open that lid, that cover, and once you remove it guys, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like that one. This one will be the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuse we need to check now? Here you can see you have different fuses, relays, and those multi-block fuses could be really expensive, so check out the link again where you can get them from, so you don't pay overpriced budget for those things. So right here, that fuses, okay, that row of fuses right under the relays on the right side. If you come from the top, the first one is 11, 12, 13, 14. That fuse right here is that 15 fuse. That will be the one that you will need to check specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.